In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your data on Gmail. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to head over to the website takeout.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your Google account. This is an essential step to access your Gmail data. Now, after signing in, you'll notice a lot of options, but don't get overwhelmed. Simply click on Deselect All to start fresh. We want to make sure we're only downloading your email data, so you need to scroll down until you find Mail. Once you see it, check the box next to it to select it. Next, you have the option to be more specific about what you'd like to download. Click on Mail again, and you'll see options for different labels like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. By default, all your mail data will be included, but if you only want specific labels, you can choose those here. It's entirely up to you. Once you've made your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Next Step button. This will take you to a page where you can customize your export options. First up, you'll decide on your delivery method. You can either receive a download link via email or have the archive added directly to your Google Drive. Choose the option that works best for you. After that, it's time to choose the frequency of the export. Generally, selecting Export Once is sufficient for most users, providing a one-time download. However, if you prefer, you can set up a recurring export. Then, decide on the file type for your archive. You can pick between a .zip file or a .tgz file. Both are effective, but zip is more commonly used. You'll also be prompted to set a maximum file size for each download link. If your data is larger than the specified size, multiple files will be created for easier management. With all your preferences selected, simply click the Create Export button. Now, all you need to do is wait. Google will send you an email when your export is ready. Depending on the size of your data, this may take some time, so be patient. Once you receive the email, it will include a download link or a link to your Google Drive where the archive is stored. Click the download link provided in the email. You may need to sign in again, so have your credentials handy. Choose a location on your computer to save the file, which will be in .zip format. Finally, extract the contents of this .zip file. This will reveal your emails in a special archive browser, a handy HTML file that you can open right in your web browser. And there you have it. Your Gmail data is now safely downloaded and accessible whenever you need it.